Hi guys, I'm here to chat with you about exponents. So when we talk about exponents, you'll see it written as something like this. What that does not mean. I'm going to tell you what that does not mean. That does not mean 3 times 2. That is absolutely not what it means. What this means is, hold on, nope. This number is telling you how many times to multiply the base number by itself. So in this case, I would have 3 times 3, which would give me 1, 2, 3s, which is telling me that I need 2 of them. So if I have 5 to the 5th, that would be written out as an expression as 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5s. And then you could just do the multiplication from there. So what if we're talking about division with exponents? So say you had something like 3, let's actually say x to the third divided by x to the second. So what you would want to do here is you're going to write each of these out. So x times x times x, put that divided line, and then write out this one. So I have 3 x's here, 2 x's here. And then what you're going to do is if you have 1 on the top and 1 on the bottom, that is a division. And if you divide 1x by 1x, that's 1. So we can cancel those out. So what I'm left with is 1x. So x to the third divided by x to the second is x, or 1x. We just don't ever write 1x with a 1 in front of it. It's just known that it's just x. So another example of a division. So we could write out the 2, see if I can get that in here 10 times. It's a little squished. And then 7 times. Okay, and then you'll go through and you will mark off the ones that have a top and a bottom. And I'm left with 3 2s. So the answer would be 2 to the third. All right, what about multiplying? If we have x to the third times x to the fifth, all you're going to do here is take your exponents and add them together. Easy peasy. So this would be x to the 8th. So showing you another, we could have x to the 10th times x to the 20th. All you're going to do is take those exponents, add them together, and you would get x to the 30th. So multiplication, you add the exponents. With division, you put the top, you write out the expressions one over the other, and then you cross out any that match up. Anything that's left over on the top is a positive exponent.